This exam application tutorial is on the topic of combustion of fuels. The question for 6 marks: explain the properties of a good fuel. So, state the 4 features we use to assess a fuel and explain these features in terms of what makes it a good fuel. So firstly, let's just list the 4 properties. So we use the following criteria to assess whether a fuel is good or not. Firstly, ease of ignition. And then we can qualify that by saying a fuel that is easier to burn, that's what ignition means, burning ability, it's more useful because you don't have to spend more time and energy trying to light that fuel. Secondly, we use the idea of how much energy the fuel releases. Obviously, a good fuel will release more energy when burnt than another fuel, assuming the same mass is burnt. Next, we look at pollution, so the amount of ash and smoke produced. Fuels which release a lot of ash and smoke are going to cause the most environmental damage. And finally, ease of storage and transport. A good fuel must be easy to store and transport so that plenty can be transported at once and there is a low hazard risk, for example, unlikely to explode. Or think, for example, like crude oil spills in the oceans when liners have accidents. Now, to get 6 marks here, you can drop one of these and you don't have to explain it or mention it and just concentrate on 3 features and their explanations.